The addition of the CSF center radiator is a great upgrade to the 997.2 cooling system. Whether you already have a factory center radiator or are adding one, this will help keep your 997 within safe operating conditions, even on hot track days. Here is a CSF radiator with the factory radiator. The CSF is a direct bolt-in. The CSF is fully welded, red arrow, and eliminates the weak plastic connections on the factory radiator, blue arrow. Begin by draining the coolant and removing the front bumper cover. For additional assistance with those tasks, please follow the link provided at the end of this video. If you have an S, you already have all of the mounts, trays, and diverters for the factory center radiator. These are a direct fit for the CSF upgrade. If you do not have an S, you will need to order all of the parts to allow the air to flow through the bumper cover and into the radiator. We have already upgraded our side radiators to CSF, blue arrow. The two hoses that connect to the side radiator and connect to the center radiator are hand couplings and direct fits to the factory hoses. This image shows how the right side radiator hoses connections enter the right side tray for the center radiator, blue arrow. On the left side, you will remove the lower bung and insert the hose that goes from the lower connection up through the mount, red arrows. Slip the CSF radiator into the tray and use Porsche coolant gasket lubricant on all the hand couplings and make sure you hear them click into place when installing. The center radiator is held into the chassis by the pieces that connect it to the front bumper. Do not forget to vacuum fill and bleed the system. The system will not hold vacuum. Check all of your hose connections because you have a leak. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.